The amazing accomplishments of women have connected the Philippines and the United States for years. I'm standing next to a photo of Ruth Bancroft Law. Ms. Law was a pioneer aviator in the United States. She learned to fly in 1912 and soon began setting records and making her mark. During World War I, she petitioned President Wilson to allow women to fly for the military. In 1919, she became the first person to ever deliver mail by air in the Philippines. It is the strength and accomplishments of women like Ruth that we celebrate in March, Women's History Month. Women's History Month began as a national celebration when the U.S. Congress authorized and requested then-President Reagan to proclaim the week beginning March 7, 1982 as Women's History Week, but has since expanded to a full month to honor the amazing women in our own generation. Welcome to our video series, #Wonderwomen, and be inspired by the great leadership stories. Happy Women's History Month.